And here we go. The entire market looking fantastic right now. Bitcoin crossing over 49,000 here, depending on where you look. But wow, the entire market looking fantastic right now. We're going to do a little bit of everything here. Talk SHIB, talk Cardano, Dogecoin, you name it. We are going to do it. We're going to do some live Q&A here as always. Send out the bat signal here. Send out the tweet. Let everybody know that we are live. And let me send everybody a message in the Discord too real quick. Let's see here. Main discussion. Live. Let's go. They're fired up in the Discord. Hopefully you are too. It's a great day. What a Friday, huh? How about the end of the week and crypto just storming ahead right now? Gotta love it. Ethereum up to 3,265 right now. Loving that. And we're taking a look at Cardano up at 250. It crossed over all-time highs earlier today. So Cardano ADA got all the way up to 255. Set new all-time highs. What's up, RJB? How you doing, man? All right, let's see here. Let me make a quick edit here. Hold on one sec. All right, there we go. There we go. What's up, Gary? Anthony, what's happening? What is going on, y'all? How we doing? How we doing? I'm just doing something real quick here on the back end before we get started. We'll get everybody in here. We'll give it about 5-10 minutes before we jump in and get started. What's up, Stefan? Happy Friday, man. You too, brother. Anthony, not yet, but I'm going to look at it this weekend. VPN on Uphold, huh? I got you, brother. All right, sending out this tweet here, trying to... Okay, I think that went through. Let me make sure here. And I got to check one more thing here on the back end of YouTube while we wait for people to pop in. How's everybody doing out there? Happy Friday, end of the week. Feeling good? All right, let's see here. Safemoon, man, I'll tell you what, it's up 23% somewhere in there. So we're going to talk about Safemoon here. That's performing well, performing really well right now. SHIB up to the 8.4 level, love seeing that. All right, let me check something here on the back end of the tube here real quick. Just got done with a long seminar and I figured, you know what, instead of recording videos, let's just go live. You know, it's Friday, let's have some fun. What's up, Ramin? How we doing? Carlos, what's happening? Tyler, how we doing? Alan, what's up, man? Steve, what's happening? We're going to jump into it here in just a minute. If y'all could hit the like button on your way in, that'd be great. All right, let me see here. Content. I want to make sure that I'm properly tagging these live streams and seeing if I can tag them while I'm live. I believe I can. So let me just, yeah, I think I can here. Let me figure this real quick here. All right, y'all. A lot of things moving up. Let's take a look at the biggest movers here real quick, too. And we'll sort these by the biggest gainers. Well, right now, I mean, outside the top 100, we've got some huge gainers. Mini football. How about that? There are so many cryptos out there. It's absolutely insane. All right, so here, hold on one sec. Let me set this and make sure this is using TubeBuddy on the back end. Bear with me, y'all. We're gonna get there. What's up, Tyler? How you doing, brother? JD, what's happening? Scott, happy Friday, brother. Happy Friday. All right, here we go. Shiba Inu live. Y'all can't see this, but it's just YouTube tagging stuff. It's just you got to make sure all this stuff is set. And I never actually did this. Trina, thanks for the like over there on Twitter. Appreciate that. Never actually set this when I've actually been live here. So, okay, let's see. All right, that should get rid of that. Get rid of that. And boom. All right, now we'll be good here. Give me one sec. We're almost there, I promise. Okay, there we go. Nice. Apply. What is happening, everybody? Zach, you decided on a crypto poster for your wall yet? Dude, that's so funny you mentioned that. I was just thinking about that. It's been a busy week. I know it's been a little while. I want to get something, whether it's like a flag back here or like a poster right behind me. Something's going to go right there. So I have not, Stefan, but if you got an idea, I would love to take a look at it, brother. I would definitely love to take a look at it. If you have, if you got some ideas, tweet me or something. Somehow get it over to me. Get the link over to me. I want to check that out. What's up, Trina? Gary, how we doing? Trade some low cap coins this morning for more ADA. Nice. ETH poster for sure, bro. Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Definitely need it, right? Yeah. In fact, let's. You know what? Screw it. While we wait for some more peeps to come in here. What's up, Barry? Let's Google some Ethereum large poster. Maybe I'll just buy it right here, right now. You know what? Screw it. I want to get something big though. What should I be looking for size wise? I got a lot of space there. I could do something pretty large there. I want to make sure it's somewhat big. What's this one here? 16 by 24. I want something a little bit bigger than that. I'm gonna make you a sign. Started a new saying. Pump and hodl. Nice. Anthony, did you see the link that I sent you yesterday on Twitter? Was that the XRP link? I think I did. Anthony, could you resend it to me, though? I'll pull that up during the live stream here. All right, so I almost got this one. 16 by 20 inch. That's not too bad. I want something larger than that, though. Oh, that's pretty cool. Crypto Millionaire loading. I like that. Poster with nicknames and avatars of your Patreons. That would be cool as hell too. I like that. That would be cool. See, these are only 8 by 12. Yeah. Oh, this is a painting on canvas, huh? Huh. I don't see a lot of good ones. I do not see a lot of good ones, actually, for ETH. What's that one? How big is that? I don't really like that, though. That would be okay. But that's just a poster. That's actually kind of cool, huh? What's this? I wonder how large this is. 16 by 14. All right, I'll keep looking on that. What's up, Kritika? How you doing? All right, so let's start with the article that Anthony sent me here. Let's pop into that. Anthony, appreciate that, man. Thanks for sending that over. Oh, this is not a link for XRP. This is not a link for XRP. Oh, geez. It's a Ripple shirt, huh? Anthony loves Ripple. Go look on Displate, maybe? Okay. That's pretty hilarious. So there you go. Etsy actually... Do they have posters? Ethereum... Picture. Oh, if I could spell picture correctly, that's not good. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that. I like that. How large is that? Dimensions. Okay, here we go. 19 by 27, 27 by 40. See, but the shipping is going to be crazy because I'm in the U.S. That's not, Yeah, that's not going to work. Let's see. Darn it. I just bought an H-bar shirt. Nice. Nice, Todd. What's up, Ashley? Hey, Zach, one question before I shut eye. Yeah, what's up? What's up, Ashley? US, Etsy, US. Where do I switch that on? I guess I just have to... Oh. I could probably do it right there, huh? Use Etsy US. Cheaper to buy a Shiba Inu, dog. Don't buy one, I'll make you one. I'll make one. Really? Okay. All right, if you want to send it to me, that's cool. Tyler. ETH almost hit 3,300. Nice. Could you please explain why on earth are people selling SHIB for Satama Inu? Paper handers, actually. You know, there's certain people that, you know, just think that if they jump ship to the next best thing, that, you know, that's the best thing to do, right? I'm a believer of holding on to good assets. So if you make the right decision first, you won't second guess yourself very often. Now, sure, there might come a time where, you know, you realize, hey, you know what, I've got these assets, I want to liquidate them into something else, right? And that's okay, right? That happens. But overall, I like to buy things that I've done my due diligence on, I've done my homework on, and that, quite frankly, is on the top 100. Satama Inu, for me, is completely speculative. Completely. And, you know, sure, you can take that opportunity and throw $100 at it. I'm cool with that, right? But I just would not sit there and be as confident in Satama Inu as I would be with SHIB or Doge. I mean, there's nothing right now close to those two in the meme space. There's nothing close, okay? That's just kind of my thoughts on it. So hopefully that helps. Shiny red apple, people. Looks like BTC might hit 49K again. Yeah, let's jump into the charts here. I want to take a look at Bitcoin here first because that's really driving this, this resurgence in the overall market, right? So let's take a look at BTC here, and I want to go to the charts. Show me the charts. I'll pull up Etsy and Amazon later, and we will check out the latest there. What's up, Mofo? Thanks for the super sticker, brother. Welcome back, man. It's been a while. How you doing, brother? Thoughts on Akita Inu? Healing with vibrations. My thoughts on Akita Inu are my exact thoughts on Satama, right? Same exact thoughts. It's super speculative. They're in the thousands, right, in terms of market cap. They're not even close to Doge and SHIB in market cap. Nothing is. And sure, if you want to throw $100 at it, have at it. Or whatever that number is for you, where it's not going to make or break your day, right, or your life. Whatever that number is, right? Sure, I would say go for it. Have fun, right? But the people who are going all in on these type of assets, I don't agree with that. Everyone going to FOMO in when BTC hits 50. I agree, man. I agree. All right, y'all, if you're in here and you forgot to hit the like button, it's totally cool. I forgive you. Just go back right now. It's totally free. Smash the like button real quick. If you're new, hopefully you stay for the long haul and subscribe to the channel. All right, so BTC working. Oh, this is ADA, actually. Let's go BTC. Let's go back to, BTC is looking super bullish, y'all. Oh, yeah, super bullish. This was a nice dip, huh? Came down all the way to what, 44K, 43 maybe? About 44. How low's it been in, does it show 7-day? No, it only gives days range, huh? Yeah. That's CoinMarketCap where it shows you. What is BTC at? BTC right now, here, let me pull this up for you. 48.8, there you go. Now you should be able to see that. I'll leave that up here for a minute because I want to watch this. We're slowly going up right now. Look at this massive amount of volume that just came in, okay? Now, if we get another big volume push like that, where we saw, look, we went from 46.9 to 48.7 pretty quickly, just in a couple hours here. So this could be the push. I think if we do get to 50K, the floodgates open up in a good way. Hey, it's Crypto Quant from Twitter, who's talking about BTC at 49K on Coinbase. What's up, Wozy? Yeah, man, I was looking over on CoinMarketCap, so Wozy called me out. He was like, man, it already hit 49K. I did a short video and a story on it, and where I was looking on CoinMarketCap, it only had it at like 489. So Wozy was like, hey, dude, it already hit 49K. And then, yeah, sure enough, he's right. That's what it says here on TradingView as well. Hit up 49,163 here. So there you go. No problem, Healing. Tyler, I'm thinking ETH symbol as rocket ship, ADA symbol being the moon, stars by, yeah, I love that. What size are you thinking? How big is the square of open wall beside you? Dude, it's pretty big. I mean, because I could get it kind of, I don't know, probably, definitely 24 by, whatever. I mean, I've got 2 feet, probably 3 feet by 4 feet, 3 feet by 3, probably 3 feet by 3 feet, something like that. So that'd be sweet, man. Stefan, thank you, man. Here's to help pay you for your poster. I really think you should check on Displate. They are metal posters and super easy to apply. Promise me you'll look at them. Thanks for your continued great content. You rock, dude. Dude, Stefan, thank you, man. I will promise you that I will look at them, actually. In fact, I'll pull it up so I don't forget. Displate, huh? Displate.com. I'll look at that later on in the stream, man. Thank you. And thanks for the super chat. I might be giving it right back to Tyler if he's willing to create one. That's pretty sweet. All right, Tyler, yeah, hit me up on Discord. Tyler is in our private community. I forgot about that. And if y'all want to become part of that, let me link that over in the top chat. I always forget to do that. But we got 2 levels. We got a great community brewing, up over 100 people now. It's a great place to be if you want to talk crypto, bounce ideas off one another. I'll take a look at your portfolio for you and give you my thoughts. I'll give you buy and sell trade alerts when I buy, when I sell, and we'd love to have you over. So, what's up, Boca? Man, no alert, really? Man, that's brutal. I don't think a lot of people are getting my alerts today. My videos are way down today. I don't know. I'm just going to keep going. You got to keep pushing. My number, I don't know. Some days, YouTube's weird. Some days it's just the algorithm doesn't like you. But then other days the algorithm loves you. It's just, I don't know. It's weird. Doge going past $1 by the end of the year. Man, that'd be sweet. I think it definitely gets there in 2022, but I don't know if it's going to get there this year. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked if it does, though. Wouldn't be shocked if it does. Okay. BTC. Okay, there's where BTC is. Let's take a look at some others here. All right, so let's pull this down here and pull that up, and then we can pull this back up. All right, here we go. And you should be able to see the price. I want you to be able to see the price and... There we go. That's perfect, right? You can still see the price. I'll pull it up a little bit more. There we go. Okay. So let's go over to ETH real quick, see where we're at there. Okay, ETH's looking nice. 3,267, couple green candlesticks working. Very nice. Super bullish here. Yeah, yesterday we started this uptrend, right? Super, and it's gotten even more bullish here today, so loving this. Love it. Okay, Cardano, where we at? 250. Wow. Amazing. Amazing on Cardano. Set new all-time highs, $2.58. Man, that's awesome. Josh, I'm so glad you talked about VET and Polygon a month ago. I bought 1K of each, bought Poly at 67 and VET at 06. There you go, man. I'm right there with you, bro. I'm actually not as low on you as Poly. I bought Poly at 77 and 88. So you got me there. VET, yeah. Anything 6 or below, I love VeChain. I mean, it was just, things were just too low a couple months ago. Thanks, Trina. Appreciate that. Barry, Cardano looking good. Yeah, looking super good, man. Super bullish. RJB, appreciate that, man. Kritika, pick one for me, please. Dot or Chainlink? Kritika. Okay, so I would say this. I know more about Chainlink, and this is kind of just my feeling here. This is not coming from like, it's never financial advice, but this is not like researched advice. This is just my gut. All right, they always say follow your gut. My gut tells me that Chainlink is going to be safer, that Chainlink will be a nice incremental grow, but my gut also tells me that Polkadot could explode, probably more and quicker than Chainlink. Chainlink's kind of, the way I'm starting to think about Chainlink now is kind of like an ETF, if you will, because it works with so many other projects, right? But it doesn't really leverage itself, right? So it's more of a low-risk play. I love Chainlink. I still have some. But I have liquidated some, and I turned it into another asset. I just told my private insiders what I liquidated into, but I did get rid of some of my chain link for some more of something else, and yeah, I mean that's kind of my thought. So hopefully that helps, Kritika. But they're both good. They're both good. San Diego, what's happening, man? Boca's right. There's always something going on in the Discord. Why not both? That's a good response too. But if I had to pick one, healing, that was kind of my take. But you're right. Why not both? I hear you. There have been a lot of exchange hacks recently in the last 3 weeks. There was $600 million hack, $100 million hack, and recently an $80 million hack. Yeah, it's weird, Anthony. It's a little scary too. Hurricane Zebra, what's up, man? How is it going? Great, man. Love the vids and info a lot. I joined your channel recently. Keep it up. Thanks, bro. Welcome in, man. Thank you. Willing to bet your link is now ETH? No, actually, it's not, Anthony. Surprisingly, it's not, bro. But I can't divulge what it is. It's doing well though. Let's see. What's XRP doing? 125 Matic. 152 XLM, 38 cents. Where's Solana at today? Wow, Solana's at 78 bucks. Man, how crazy is that? VeChain back up over 13 cents. Nice. Crowcoin back up at 15. I know a lot of people got in at 11 cents a while back. Stacks is up marginally. Not a ton, but doing okay. There's DOT. What's DOT doing? Oops. There's DOT. Up about 6%. Looking nice. Looking actually pretty bullish. Polkadot. What are some other big gainers here? Some things are red. Interesting. Satama's down 13%, according to this. Elron is up. Ooh, Alchemy Pays back up, huh? 8 cents. That's interesting. I'm starting to like Siacoin too. Yeah, I love the idea there, Kritika, with Siacoin. The fact that you could sell your extra cloud storage. I think it's a brilliant idea because there probably are companies who definitely don't use up all their data, that it just makes sense to recycle that through blockchain. So why not? I like the idea. Definitely like the idea. Evening all from Scotland. What's up, Essen? How you doing, man? What would you think is better investment right now, Cardano or Alchemy? Cardano. Cardano for sure. I mean, Alchemy is definitely more risk involved, but it's very early on, so more risk, more reward. But you don't have a lot of risk with Cardano, and you could still make a lot of money. I'd say Cardano. Abel, thanks for the super chat. Safemoon up 20%, huge catalyst. Yeah, we're going to talk about Safemoon. I was waiting for somebody to drop it. I didn't want to go to it right away. All right, we'll pull it up. Because I know the Safemoon peeps over in our private Discord were loving it, which is cool. Thanks for everything you do. Thanks, Abel. Appreciate it, man. Safemoon. Where the heck is it? Is it here? I don't want safe mask, ramped ether. I don't know. Maybe this is it. Let's see. No, I don't know what this is. No. Can I get rid of that? How do I delete it? Delete. All right, I'll figure that out later. All right, I guess we got to go to CoinMarketCap because that's not doesn't show up on TradingView. There are some that don't show up. Ooh, Crow's now up 5% in the 24-hour. Just got the Crow message alert on Crypto.com. All right, let's see here. Tyler, I'm pumped to see this poster, man. For XRP news, you should follow Phylon Law on Twitter. He posts all the legal documents made public in the case, gives his legal opinion on them. Very cool. Phylon Law. Let me write that down. XRP Phylon Law. Thanks, Anthony. on Twitter, huh? Cool. All right, y'all, if you could hit that like button real quick, that'd be awesome. I know a bunch of people forgot to hit it, but let's try to get some more people in here, hang out with us. All right, so here's Safemoon, up 21%, y'all. There you go. Tyler, how am I going to get this poster, by the way? I don't really have a... oh, you're going to message me on Discord. That's right. I forgot you said that. No problem, Hurricane Zebra. You're the man. Hello from Egypt. Glad I found your channel that's focused on Shiba and is not clickbait like most of the Shiba content on YouTube. Thank you for your efforts. Dina Hassan, welcome. No problem. Yeah, we talk about everything here on the channel. Of course, we're all mostly SHIB holders, but we're diversifying our portfolio too, right? We're not just in one thing. I'm mostly involved with Ethereum and Cardano. Those are my number 1 and number 2. But we got a lot of people on the channel that are huge in other assets. That makes it fun. We get to talk about everything and bounce some ideas off one another, and we're always learning together. So welcome in. Welcome to the channel. That goes for anybody out there who's yet to hit the subscribe button. That's what you're going to get. That's my sales pitch. So subscribe to the channel. Join us. Barry, what's your thoughts on the price-wise on Cardano pre and post September 12th? Barry, that's a great question. I think we're going to continue to rise up until September 12th. There's no question. All right. So let me go back to Cardano here real quick. I think we're going to continue to rise up, okay, leading up to September 12th. Do I think there could be some kind of sell-off after that? Yeah, I do. I don't know just how much of a sell-off that'll be, but I do think it could happen. So pick your spots. Watch the charts very carefully on the 12th. If you want to sell a little bit at the top, take some profits, depending on where you got in at, depending on what you set your exit strategy at. I don't hate that because I think you will get a dip and you can buy back at a lower price, right? You could basically just reinvest those gains and get more Cardano. So I would say watch it closely leading up to the day of and the day after, you know, and make your best decision on that. But I would not be shocked if it did sell off a bit the day after. Because you're going to have people that have had Cardano for a long time, right? Like underneath 20 cents. And, you know, they've been holding all year and they want some of that cash. All right. So, but I think before that, it's going to run up for sure. As long as Bitcoin and ETH, you know, continue to rise, Cardano I think is going to be probably the biggest gainer of the three. Have you heard about eCash coin? I have, but I'm not investing in it. Shiba Inu, DOT, okay. Oh, he likes DOT, okay. I hold 6 coins of VET, nice Kritika. Should I buy more or not? That's a good amount, but I think it's depending on where your position is. Like, what's your average cost right now, Kritika, on your 6K? And, like, where does that fit in your overall portfolio right now? Like, is that your number 1 holding? Is it your number 2 holding? You know, these are the type of questions we can ask and answer if you become a private community member. All the time. I mean, I'm always available for those kind of discussions. So, Shiba Inu, bro. I bought 25K Doge at 35 cents. Am I screwed? No, man. Just hold. Just hold them. I mean, you shouldn't have bought it that high, but it's okay. Just hold. You're fine. You're not that high off your price right now. You don't lose until you what? Somebody in the chat put it. You don't lose until you... It's pretty self-explanatory, but that's my motto there. What do you think ADA will reach on the 12th, Zach? I think now, seeing where it is, Essen, I think it's going to get to probably close to $5, if not $5. Sell, exactly. Guys got it. Nesh got it. Shiba Inu got it. Yep. You never lose until you sell. That's it. RJB. Nailed it. You never lose until you sell. You're not screwed until you sell. So no, you're not screwed. Just hold. It'll be back. One side's got it. Trash until you sell. Yep. You must have bought Shiba Coin. I do have SHIB, but I didn't liquidate my chain link into SHIB though. No. If that's what you're thinking. What's up, Jermaine? How you doing, bro? Where will Shiba Inu be by the end of 2021? Get this question all the time. It's kind of tough, but I've been saying we can get back to all-time highs if we get the big catalyst like a Robinhood Coinbase. I thought we'd already be there by now, with Coinbase at least, but now Weeble's coming. So I think if we can get close to all-time highs, that would be great. And but my gut says instead of the 3.8 range, knocking out a 0, putting a 3 there, 3.8 range, my gut says 2.0 range. I'd love to be higher though, but I'd be okay with that too. As long as we're still in the top 40, 30, I'm holding. There's no question. I mean, that's it. Julio, you too, bro. Steven sent you a message on Discord. Zach found you from Austin. Nice, man. That's awesome, bro. I'm glad you found me, and welcome to the channel, man. I will check that Discord message here if I can look at it quickly. Let's see. Where'd you send me that, Steven? Sent you a message on Discord? Sent you a DM on Discord? I don't see it. What's good, sup? Gerard sold Doge last year. Doge skyrocketed and I lost because of the sell. Gerard did the same, bro. Mine was a little different situation. I bought it 1 cent. 1 cent. And sold it like 7. So I was like, oh, look at me. I 7x'd. I'm smart. Dumb. Stupid. I went from 70xing, if I would have held through the SNL, to 7xing. But I mean, hey, you can't be too upset. It's not like I lost money, right? I mean, I made 7x. So how mad can you be, right? So you can't really be mad when you collect profits, but that one hurt, man. That one burned. That one burned. I know what Zach did with this chain link. Nice, Boca. Did you end up buying an Axie or XRP? Not yet, Josh. I missed the boat on Axie, man. I missed that. Nut called that at 15 bucks. I don't know what the hell I was doing. I was busy buying ETH and Cardano and VeChain. That's really what I was doing. I actually just looked. I think VeChain is now my number 3 holding, actually. Like, because the portfolio has gone up so much. I got on VeChain pretty early, so I'm pretty pumped about that. If y'all could hit the like button if you haven't already. We've got 142 people in here. Now we're starting to pick it up. Nice. It's good to have some people in here. I know it's Friday. Everybody's getting off work, so smash the like button. Let's try to get up to 200 people in here. By hitting that like button, you push this out. The algorithm starts liking us a little bit more, so that's how it works. Appreciate that. Appreciate all the support, too, on the channel. You guys are awesome. Hopefully, y'all had a great week. Getting set for a great weekend, too. What's up, David? How you doing, man? A couple things on Dogecoin, though. The things I've been talking about, I just want to reiterate some of these things in case people haven't seen my videos out there recently on Doge. With Vitalik Buterin and Elon coming in as advisors, I think this fully legitimizes, the projects. Now, here's what I was kind of thinking about it. I didn't want to create a video on this because it's kind of too much speculation at this point. However, hear me out though a little bit, okay? Why would Vitalik get involved with Doge if he didn't try to bring Dogecoin into the Ethereum ecosystem? Right? Right now, Dogecoin is not in the ecosystem of Ethereum. But why would Vitalik get involved in it if that wasn't his ultimate plan? Right? I mean, it could just be an independent project, but it seems like he is so invested, both probably literally and figuratively, in Ethereum. Why wouldn't he try to bring Dogecoin into the fold there? Right? So is that going to be maybe a transactional asset on the Ethereum network, Dogecoin? Right? Mark Cuban has talked about Dogecoin being that, right? The currency that people actually are willing to use and pay with. So it'll be interesting. I think Dogecoin looks really bullish here in the next 5-6 months. I'm really interested to see what comes out in the next couple weeks. They said they're going to release some plans in the next couple weeks. And Doge has already performed well. It's, I mean, this thing was way down, what, 17, 18 cents back on July 20th, a month ago. So I'm loving where this is heading. So just throwing that out there. Look at Safemoon bouncing back. So Safemoon holders are loving this. Getting a nice little pop here. It was just a downtrend for a long time, though. So Safemoon still has to do some catching up here. It still needs to break this 03 level, really. Right? That's really the crucial line here. Hasn't been above that. It needs to break that 03 level. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. Oh, shoot. I missed a bunch of chats. All right. I quit my job, lost a job because of Cardano. I'm almost rich. Silford, that's awesome, man. Congrats, brother. Congrats. David, sup, Zach? How's it going? It's going great, man. The market is totally green. I'm loving it, man. Loving this. For sure, brother. Let's take a look. We'll keep another CoinMarketCap just open. Where do you buy Safemoon? That's a good question. Pancake Swap, right? Yeah, here you go. Gate.io, Uniswap, Pancake Swap. Those are the big ones. Sent you a friend request. Okay, Steven, sweet. I will. I'm not good with Discord. I always jack this up. How do I know? Where are my friend requests? Where do I go to get my friend requests? I will figure it out and add you, bro. Maybe at 0.01 cent in the end of the year, only if it raised continually. What do you think of Shiba? You think it can still crash? Shows no sign. I mean, it's got really a ton of support at the 5.5 level. We're well off the 5.5 level right now. We're at 8.5. So I'm liking where we are right now. If you have coins in your wallet, does the price still go up and down? Yes. I would have had 400K. My wife has not heard the end of it. I hear you, man. That's brutal. On the Dogecoin? That's brutal, Gerard. I would have had not 400K, but 100K, 107K. Yeah. It hurts. Trash bag dumb sag for SHIB. Is it possible for 000 range by the end of the year? But Gerard, that's how you learn your lesson, right? I mean, that's how I've learned mine. I mean, that's one of the many. That's why sometimes the best thing to do is just set it and forget it, man. Just hold it forever. Forget you even have it. A good friend of mine bought it like back in December when Elon tweeted it the first time. It was like a half a cent. He bought like, I don't know, 4 grand's worth at a half a cent. And he held it. He sold at the top too. Made a killing. Made a killing. 70x'd. So what is that? 280,000? Something like that? Nuts. Zach, did you get your Jade Green card yet? I have not, Jacob, not yet, but I'm looking into it. Definitely looking into it. Why is it that I don't get notifications on your videos? I don't know, Josh. It's crazy. It's weird. A lot of people are telling me that. I don't know, man. Hey, Crow's doing great today. Jay Cannon. Yeah, it is, man. What do you think of Ryoshi Vision? I think it's interesting. I screwed it up the other day. I did another Ryoshi token, but I might start covering Ryoshi Vision a little bit just because it has some ties to SHIB. But I got to do some more digging and some due diligence there. But I might be covering it a little bit. Just at least a couple videos on it, kind of telling people what it is and just general thoughts. Yeah, but Josh, all I can tell you, man, is make sure you hit that notification bell. I don't know what the deal is, man. Sometimes people don't get the notifications. I don't know. It's 5 p.m. here. Nice, Boca. Same here. Critique has sent you a request on Instagram. Okay, cool. I'll add you there. Yeah, my Instagram is somewhere on my YouTube page. If y'all want to add me there. Mike C, I had 80K Doge at 0.07, sold on the way up. 80K at point. Yeah, dude, I sold it. I sold at 0.07. Brutal, man. Which is the best coin available now, which I can hold for 1 year? I would say Ethereum, or I would say Ethereum is like the most guaranteed hold for the next year with Ethereum 2.0 rolling out. I mean, that's my opinion. Some people would say Cardano, right? Other people would say Bitcoin. I mean, there's a bunch of good ones, but mine would be a 1-year hold. I mean, it depends what you're trying to do. You're trying to 3x, 4x, 5x. If you're trying to minimize your risk, but still have a chance to get big gains, I would say Ethereum. Pump and hodl, nice, Tyler. Steve, I bought Shiba 2 days before the all-time high. Got me, sold it. Nice. Wow, that's awesome, man. That's epic, Steve. Congrats, brother. Christian, I went paper hands on my original investment of Cardano. Had over 5K tokens. Shame to say I sold during the crash and rebought at 150. Now only have... Man, I hear you, Christian. It happens. But you learn from it, right? You learn from it. I'll tell you, that's the easiest way to learn. You know, sometimes you don't learn a lot by having success. You learn a lot by failing. I've figured that out in life. Failing is good for that, right? Helps you learn how not to do things. As long as you learn from those mistakes, I mean, that's it, man. I had 80K Doge. Okay, got it. Bank ETH is about to explode this weekend. Okay. I don't hold anything other than ETH, just regular ETH, but I hear you, money bags. Gameplay, hey, can you look at Request Token and Baby Doge? I have looked at Baby Doge before. It's one of the outside looking in meme coins that I'll entertain. That along with Safemoon right now are probably the two that I would entertain. I don't know much about Request Token, though. Mini football's trending. Yeah, there it is. Biggest gainer, too. And it's trending. So is Porn Rocket and Orica. Crazy. Is there an AMA today? I didn't hear of that, Jay Cannon. Maybe there is. Dude, for sure. Big fail holding hardcore now. That's it, bro. I pray the bull run is here to stay. Well, it's not going to stay forever, Sup. But I think it's going to stay for about 4 to 6 months, if I had to put a timetable on it. But we'll be talking about it here on the channel. And we'll be talking about what we're doing with some of our gains. We'll definitely be talking about taking profits over at the private community. Right? I'm a long-term holder of just about everything, but at various points I will take some gains, some money off the top, right? We'll try to time it up a little bit and take some profits at the top. But if you want to come over and become an insider, you'll know what we're doing. But right now we've been buying a lot, and a couple trades here and there, but we've been buying a lot. Now we're in that moment where we're not going to be, you know, buying as much, hopefully, because we're getting into the bull cycle. I wanted to check the crypto and crypto fear and greed index real quick. Let's see where we're at with that. This was just a thought. Would it be wise to sell all my assets to own 1 ETH? I don't think it's a bad idea at all. And then, you know, if you had 1 ETH, then you just let that sit, and then you start slowly building out your other positions, right? Because you got that backbone in your portfolio, that 1 Ethereum. I don't think that's a bad idea at all, brother. Not at all. That's just me, though. My opinion. Not financial advice. It's not financial advice, bro. Thank you all for the support, too. If you forgot to hit the like button, that's okay. There's still time. Pause the video. It takes 0.23 seconds of your time. If you could smash the like button. If you love Fridays, hit the like button. If you love the weekend, hit the like button. I don't know anybody who doesn't like the weekend, so. Loving Ethereum. Me too, WM. I hear you, bro. Craig said, keep your ADA. Wait. Oh, does BN, does all you have is ADA? Or, I missed that question. Guys, I'm trying to keep up with everything in the chat. It's hard, though, but y'all know how it is. If you want me to see it right away, you can send a super chat, super sticker. You don't have to. Best way to support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. What's in the mug? Mike, just some coffee, actually. Just some coffee. I actually might go make a quick pot of coffee, man. Jermaine, thanks for the super chat, man. That Weeble announcement had my mind and pocket jumping and bullish. And the Discord group is help. Yeah. So Jermaine just, how long you been in there, Jermaine? Probably like 2-3 weeks. He just joined in on the Patreon. Patreon, Discord, it's all one. I send messages individually to everybody on Patreon, and then Discord too. Discord's just more the open forum. So that's kind of how it goes down. Check out Nobility Token. I haven't heard of that. We'll have to take a look at that. Any thoughts on Revain? He said all his assets. I say keep his ADA. Oh, okay. No, I meant sell my assets, not ADA. Okay, all right. So we're figuring that out. Caffey. Yep, got some Caffey. Some Caffey. Now you're talking like you're from Cleveland and Akron area. That's how people, my aunt and uncle talk. Shout out to them. Uncle Bob and Aunt Judy. Shout out to y'all. Oh, you've been around for 1 month. All right, Jermaine. Yeah, so he's been here for 4 weeks then. Gameplay, thanks for the super chat, man. What about ETC? I don't like ETC, man. So, y'all know ETC is when Ethereum got hacked, right? Like, that is the old Ethereum. It's already been proven that was hacked. When that got hacked, then they started Ethereum, ETH, right? So, Ethereum Classic is the old fork that got hacked. So, that's one reason why I don't like it. It's proven not to be as secure. And it's the old proof of work model, right? It's not forward looking into the crypto space like Ethereum is, like Ethereum 2.0 will be, right? So all of the transactions that are happening with NFTs, it's Ethereum. It's not Ethereum Classic, right? All the DApps that are being, built, they're being built on Ethereum, not Ethereum Classic. So I don't even think it's really close gameplay. It's Ethereum for me. All right, I don't have any ETC. Trust, believe. I'll tell you this. I really like Polkadot. I'm starting to like it more and more. I'm not invested in it, and I still have to do my homework on it. I haven't looked at it enough, but I know their ecosystem is growing like crazy. I know that much just from doing a little bit of reading and a little bit of watching other content creators here on YouTube. And a lot of people are super bullish on it. So that's where my opinion is on it right now. Sent you a tweet with links to sites that show XRP's live use. It's crazy the adoption that's happened in the 12 months. Sweet. All right, I will pop over. Anthony, you're the man. Appreciate you, brother. Anthony's a huge XRP bull, by the way. But he's got some great points. And always up to speed with the goings-on. So glad to see Zach Humphries covering. There you go, Mental. Big Safemoon guy. Appreciate y'all. Let's see here. Where's the link? There it is. I could share this link with y'all. Here. Pop this in. There you go. That's what I'm looking at right now. So this is pretty wild. What are we looking at right now? Gateways. Wow. Oh, this is live too. Whale watching 10XRP. Asia is going nuts. Thoughts on Poly Launcher? Moneybags, you're throwing out the ones I have no idea about, brother. I don't know anything about Poly Launcher, man. I'm sorry. Check out Nobility Token. Big things happening with Esports. That's the second time I heard that. I will check it out. That's live XRP movement. Oh, money actually being transferred. That's pretty cool. That's pretty sweet, actually. Nobility Token. Where's it at? Let's check it. Which one is it? Is this it? It's big with esports. Let's read about it. Yeah. Nobility aims to solve the problems involving the current limitations of the esports gaming industry by innovating onto the industry the use of blockchain technology combined with the advantages of decentralized finance to create a fair, balanced, and sustainable model for all market participants. I mean, esports and crypto makes total sense. Like, why would you wait for your direct deposit to hit if you're an esports player, like already playing online? Why wouldn't you just earn your money live? That would be cool as hell. And people would love to watch that too. That makes for perfect TV. So I think it's a perfect match for crypto, personally. So that's kind of cool. Nobility token. Have to check that out. There you go. There you go, guys. There's one to take a look at. Swap going up 36.7%. What's your thoughts, Zach? Oh, Shiba swap is? Let's check it. Let's check it out. Where's the crypto? Oh, it's at 70 still. Okay. Just wanted to see that. Shiba swap. Let's check it. TVL's going up. Double my Cardano investment in 2 months. Good stuff. There you go, man. Nice. Solana, when to buy? Raphael, I'm trying to wait till it gets back down to 50, man. That's what I've been telling. I'll give you that one for. I'll give you a freebie. That's what I've been telling my insiders over at the Patreon Discord. $50 because I'm not invested in it yet, but $50 is my first entry point. If it gets down to 40, I'll wait till next year, like till we get into a crypto winter, whatever, because it's going to go down again. I don't know how high it's going to go in this cycle. 250 because it probably won't come back down to 50. But we'll see. But I'm not going to buy it right now while it's running, and that might be a mistake. I mean, if it gets up to 200, I should have just got in, right? But I don't know, man. It's tough. I'm hoping there's a little pullback on it. We'll see. Seems like a space win already has. Oh yeah, Win. Yeah, Win is already in that space. They have their own casino, but are they particularly in esports, Anthony, or is it just online gambling, or is it esports included in that? I can't remember. It might be all of that combined. What's up, Christine? How you doing? Yeah, off to a good start. Weekend is here. What about AMP? I like AMP. I'll tell you what, AMP is. I think it has a ton of upside. All it's going to take is one big retailer. We know there's a ton of retailers out there looking to get into crypto. It's going to take one big retailer to say, hey, we're using AMP for collateral. And it's possible. Super possible. They got a ton of supply, ton of room to grow. They're already, very nicely situated financially. People know who they are. They made a name for themselves pretty quick. The Flexa network is big and respected in the space. Now, I heard a video. This is something on AMP. I heard the technology that Walmart uses on their self-scanning already is connected in some way to Flexa. I don't know if Flexa works with that company. There's some kind of connection there. So Flexa works with a company that does the scanners at the checkout at Walmart. So you've already got that Flexa connection with the scanners. Flexa and AMP, you're going to scan and use crypto. I don't know. Just saying. Heard it here first if it happens. But don't come at me if it doesn't. What's up, Logan? Surprised VeChain hasn't gone above 25 cents yet. Still a great undervalued buy. Yeah, what was it? What was the high this year so far? 27, I think. I think it gets there and beyond. Yeah, they have partnerships with multiple big esports tournaments too. Okay, right on, Anthony. So yeah, Win is another one in that space with Nobility. So a couple to look at if you're interested in the esports online gambling space. Nobility and Win. There you go. I think those are two areas that are going to be enormous in sports. I mentioned that I'm a professor, right? And I talk about that in my sports communication class. I teach a sports communication. We talk about the future of the sport fan, and I talk about crypto actually in that class. And I talk about like Chili's token, and I show them like this is the future of social tokens and coins, and like I ask them like, how would you use this? Like, would you buy these tokens to spend at your favorite team's pro shop and such, and getting perks and things like that? So I actually talk about that in class. For those of you all don't know, that's what I do in my day job. Professor in sports broadcasting, radio, TV. I was in radio and TV broadcasting for like 7 years, and also spent some time in sports print. Wrote some articles and things like that, and also teach classes about entrepreneurship, personal branding, and it's pretty cool. Now I can show them that, hey, I've got this YouTube channel that's you could do this too. right? So I'll be showing them the channel throughout the classes and saying, hey, this is how you can kind of start your own content, and I'm going to try to formulate an entire class around, starting a YouTube channel. How cool would that be? I think a ton of people would take that class, right? Put in chat if you would take that as a college student, how to start a YouTube channel, like a 2 credit hour class. How cool would that be, right? All right, sorry, I got off on a tangent there, but there you go. I gave you a little inside scoop into my world. All right, so one of the guys from Certic joined the Everrise team. They mentioned it in the interview with Benzinga. Nice. But the casino also allows people on the esports. Okay, sweet. Oh, we got a super chat. ACH. It is knee on Coinbase. What about it? Alchemy Pay is another one like AMP. Let me pull up Alchemy here because it was moving actually earlier. Let me pull up Alchemy. Where's AMP? AMP's still at 6 cents. It's just stuck right at 6 cents, huh? Where's ACH? I'm getting too many on here. Can't find them. There it is. Alchemy Pay is still crushing it. Look at that. Up to 87, 8 cents. I want to say 87. 8 cents, pushing up to 9 right now. So there you go. Alchemy's another one like AMP though. It's already in 65 different countries. It's dealing with digital payments. They're a little bit more global than AMP right now, right? They just don't have the market cap and the partnerships, at least right now, but they can get there. Trent, only reason I go to college, nice. Yeah, I try to make it fun, man. I'm definitely a non-traditional professor. Like, I tell them first day of class, just call me Zach. Like, you don't have to call me doctor. We're all adults here. Let's just talk like, I hate that hierarchical stuff. Let's just have a conversation, I would take that course. Nice. Good day, Prof of Profits. Nice. Yeah, what's up, Perry? How you doing, brother? Hit the like button if you agree. Zach's got a high-end broadcaster voice. Appreciate that, Christian. Frankiana, they also give away to charities, food to community. Nice. And supercars and airdrops every Saturday. Okay, cool. Very cool. Very nice. Let's see. Oh, Christine, you would take it? Nice. The broadcaster voice. I think once a live stream, I got to do the announcer voice, right? All right, so somebody wanted me to do this earlier. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. There you go. A little bit of a Bruce. I don't want to say his name because the copyright stuff. And you got to close your eyes. You got to get into it, What's up, Dustin? I have a PhD Pizza Hut delivery. I hear you. PhD Pizza Hut delivery. I love it. I love it. Yeah, man. 10 years of school is way too long, bro. Way too long. But I had fun with it. I had a lot of great experiences. I traveled a lot, saw a lot of places, met a lot of people from different areas in the world. That was super cool. I have friends from all over the world, man. I have friends from all over the world now, so super cool. That's cool. That's cool as hell. So. Those tills just issue a rest, so it really makes a difference at that point. Shops could swap in crypto payments quickly. Nice. It's back in his. Can I retire at 62 in 2025? I have 200 million SHIB. Nick Moore, you're going to need more of not SHIB, but more of other assets, man. Diversify that portfolio, brother. What's up, Dustin? My bad, dude. Did I miss your chat from way up there, man? I don't know. You're screaming at me with the explanation points. What's up, brother? Christian has a fast-talking auctioneer. That'd be hilarious. Reading minute-by-minute crypto charts. Yeah. Alchemy Pay now. Alchemy Pay working up to the 8.8 level. 8.88 now. Alchemy Pay going 8.89. Going 8.89. Here comes Alchemy Pay. Couldn't get to 0.9 here. Couldn't get to 0.9. An hour of. There you go. Little something there. There you go. How about it? Don't sleep on StormX. Remember, sign the. Oh yeah, StormX is partnering up with Portland Trailblazers, right? That's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, you put it in there. I didn't even read that. I read the first StormX part, and then once SHIB gets rid of some of these zeros, we start making some money. Yeah, Andrew. Who doesn't like the money? The money. Earning BNB passive income with earnable token. There you go, WM. Nice. Very nice. Scott, crypto calling. You just invented a new niche. Crypto calling. Oh shoot. That's what I should be doing on TikTok. Now that's what I should be doing. I've actually got a hilarious personality sometimes. I'm pretty much a goofball. I don't show my goofball side too much on YouTube. Maybe I should. Auction guy for SHIB. Can I get an 009? Do I hear an 009? Do I hear an 009? Tyler. I like it. Baby Doge. Down 9%. Let's see. BitTorrent slightly up. Bum bum bum. Solana $78. Pew. Blast off for Solana, huh? Here's ADA 249 right now on ADA. 249. Bitcoin 48.7. All right, Ethereum 3270, 3270. Do I hear 3280? Anybody? Do I hear 3280? Anybody? Where will Shiba be by 08/26, 2021? Man, Obuma, if I knew that, bro, I would not be streaming on YouTube, man. I don't know. 6 days from now? What time? Are you talking about 5 p.m. or 6 p.m.? Because I don't know, man. It's going to depend a lot on the market, right? But having that kind of date, that's tough, dude. If you're investing and looking to get out at a certain date like that, that is super tough, man. I'm always with the long-term mindset, man. Long-term mindset. Thoughts on Tron? I'll give you quick thoughts on Tron. Love the idea. Don't know how it's going to work in practice. Mixed videos. I do have a channel, I don't have a channel on stocks, but I do have stocks. I kind of built this one starting to talk about both, so you'll actually find some stock videos on my channel way back probably 4 or 5 months ago. But yeah, man, I just found crypto as a space that more people listen, more people are interested, and so that's why I've just kind of continued to talk about that more often. So this channel is pretty much all crypto now. But that's a good idea. Maybe I'll sprinkle some in here and there as the channel grows here and there. But mostly most of the people on the channel now are involved in crypto. So thoughts on VET? Love it. Love VeChain, man. VET to $1, ETH to 6K. Yeah, that's all I'm asking for. 2021. That'd be nice. That'd be nice, Kritika. Mr. Junior, hey, what's up? What's up, brother? Yes, XRP can be purchased on Trust Wallet directly. There you go. And Uphold. Always glad to tune in, Zach. Can XRP be purchased on Trust Wallet? There you go. Darren, what's up, man? Considering starting an XRP channel, talking about it is probably the most fun part of my day, especially when it's in the green. I hear you, Anthony. Do it, man. I'll help you, too. Let me know if you want help. Reach out to me on Twitter. I'll let you know. I'll tell you everything I know, brother. I want to see you succeed. Seriously. If somebody like me can do it, you could definitely do it, bro. For SHIB is getting listed on exchanges the only catalyst for increased price. Samir, that's the biggest catalyst. Yeah, the big exchanges that are still out there, right? We're going to see what happens with Webull. But the big two are Robinhood and Coinbase. I mean, look what happened when it got listed at Binance. That's when we saw the crazy push, right? Binance is the biggest in the world, though. So, biggest exchange in the world. Any opinion on Dentcoin? Any opinion on Dentcoin? Armzilla, no opinion on it. I just know that it's fluctuating in and out of the top 100. I have not looked into it enough to give you my opinion. The #1 draft pick, sign endorsement with BlockFi. How sweet is that? Yeah, that is cool as hell. Check Cardano. Uh-oh. What do we got? ADA, 249 going. 249. Do I hear 250? Can we get 250? When we go on Webull, Fabian, I heard September 6th, but I don't know if that's an exact deadline. But they are in beta testing. Usually, I would say that happens for a couple weeks. So that's pure guessing there, but I would say 2 weeks-ish. Full launch. Eternity Chain NFT looks like a good token. I hear you, man. I've heard of that one. I haven't looked into it enough, but Coinbase said they're going to list a lot of assets soon. Yeah, they've also entered the market in Japan. Coinbase. They said on AMA happened day before. Yeah, Coinbase stock is definitely a stock that I would like to add. Speaking of the stock market, Mr. Bud, what's up, man? Graphics. What is your thoughts on Mana Coin and Decentraland? I have some graphics. I love it. I got in at 65 cents. Where is Mana right now? Let me see. I know it was like 82 cents, I think, the other day when I looked. 83 right now. I'll take it. I got in at 65. I'll take it. Yeah, Decentraland, the metaverse. I love it, man. That's going to be a huge space, right? The virtual world when it comes to gaming, NFTs. I mean, you've already got plots of land selling for multiple millions of dollars. I love the idea. It's real-life Sims, right? And how successful is Sims? So I like Decentraland a lot, man. I think it's a good one. Adam does crypto. Thanks for the super chat. Because you sent that super chat, yes, I will, my friend. KingDeFi.io. I will check that out for you. I have no idea what it is, but we'll check it out. Any particular reason why you want me to check this out? If you just heard about it, or what's up? Tip, which coin to invest right now? That's tough, man, because everything's green right now. I wouldn't want to buy a ton of stuff right now. But, I mean, you could. Like, if you had to get rid of the money right now, if you just had to dump it, I would say Ethereum or Cardano right now. If you had to dump the money today. But I would be patient a little bit. Everything's really green right now. Yesterday or the day before, whenever, was it yesterday or the day before? That was the time to buy the dip. Okay, so what are we looking at? King DeFi. Okay. So, okay, what do we got here? These are, this looks like a Shiba swap type thing. DEX, right? So, I don't know anything about this, though. Main dashboard. Promising new project has been through 2 audits. Okay. I'm looking for like an about page, you know. Let's go to their Twitter, maybe. See if they got something. Now only one vet or Polygon. Now only one vet or Polygon. Right now. That's tough because I think they could both 5x. Dude, that's like flip a coin for me, man. But if you're holding on to it for the long term, I don't even know, dude. That's a really tough one, Fabian, because I have about equal weight of both of them in my portfolio, man. So, both? Only one, though. I would say get vet because you can get more of it, but I wouldn't buy vet this high. I don't know. That's tough, man. That is really tough. Flip a coin, dude. Flip a coin. Boca's saying Matic. Yeah. Part of me wants to say Matic, too. It's safer. Matic is safer. Matic's safer. For sure. Amp's a good buy. I think so, Luis. It's sitting at 6 cents. It's been there too long. I think it's obviously it's a news story away from exploding, right? If one of these big retailers use it, I mean, that's it. Take off. It's gone. So just know that that's a possibility. For 6 cents, it's a good risk. Let's see. I have 4,000, so pissed because I didn't buy more. Now it's too late. I agree. If you had to choose, vet because higher return on investment in the future. I don't know, House Call. It's tough, man. I love both those projects. Where can I buy Shiba? Crypto.com, Voyager, right through Shiba Swap. There's a few options. Safemoon, realistic percentage increase on price after wallet launch. I don't follow Safemoon enough, but they keep talking about the wallet launch as if it'll be big. So I think it should be a good catalyst, Abraham, but I don't have much more than that for you, man. What's going to happen to Cardano August 25th? August 25th for Cardano, I don't know if that's a particular date. A lot of people are pegging September 12th. Smart contracts are supposed to be right around there, September 12th-ish, give or take. So that's at least what I heard. That's what I got. So now that Coinbase is in the Japanese market, hopefully that means they will be relisting XRP. XRP is massive in Asia. I guess we know. We now know. Oh, we know why they were moving around 600 million. Yeah, a few months ago now. It makes sense, right? I feel like StormX is going to rocket crypto, constantly touching the NBA. FTX Arena in Miami. Cleveland Cavs, those are the ones I know about. Big, yeah. FTX. Yeah, that's a good point, WM. I got to do some more digging there. You're onto something there for sure. Got a feeling Dogecoin and Shiba are going to explode in the coming weeks. I got them both, Mr. Bud, so I'd be cool with that, bro. Bring it on. Frankiana, seller has potential. Yeah, I think so too. Adam does crypto on their main page. Their white paper is called Pitch Deck. Okay. So there you go, y'all. Go check out, what was it? King DeFi. Adam, thanks for the super chat, man. Appreciate you. King DeFi. Check it out, y'all. New project. There it is. The first AI yield farming aggregator on Binance Smart Chain and Solana. Let's see. Let's see what else we've got. Under info, they have a roadmap section. Oh, shoot, I X'd out of it. I've got 4,000K. Okay, I read that. Where can I buy Shiba? Got that. How much SHIB you got? I've got only 65 mil. That's all I got. 65. I'm sorry. Yeah, 65 mil. Yeah, 65 mil. So hey, it's enough to be dangerous. But I've mentioned this many times on the channel. It's not like I'm all in on SHIB and Doge, but I've got enough to be dangerous. I got a little bit more Doge because it's safer in my opinion, right? We're talking about number 7 versus number 40, higher market cap, a 40 billion market cap versus a 3.2. You know, those are the metrics that are important to me. Is it a good time to get into Doge now? Well, it's not. I'd say it's somewhere in the middle. It's not terrible. It's not great. I would just say it's kind of like, 32 cents. Okay. My position right now, my largest position, because I've got it in 3 different places. The other 2, not in a ton of big places. Ooh, this is silver. We're looking at silver right now. Anybody want to buy silver? My largest position, I have it at 25 cents right now. So I got a little bit on the dip. I wish I'd have got it down at 19 cents when it was there. But yeah, I'm in on Doge at 25 cents in my largest position. So I'll take that. I like that number just because I think it's going to go to $1. So I was like, okay, I can easily see that's my exit strategy. I'm going to get a bunch at 25 cents. When it goes to $1. Hey, just made a nice little profit. Which cryptocurrency is becoming a global currency? Which would be the 3 front runners? A global currency? It's tough, right? I mean, Bitcoin is already showing that it could be a, currency of El Salvador, right? Where U.S. dollar is still the legal tender too, but I don't know if people are going to actually use Bitcoin. I don't know they're actually going to use it for transactions. So I think you need. We were talking about this the other day, actually. I think you need tokens that have a ton of supply and ones that people will actually feel comfortable using, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, right? I mean, those could be like transactional tokens. Well, we'll have to see. I don't know. Check out the Q&A on Everrise YouTube channel, Everrise from the other day. They support. There you go. There you go, WM. Took vet profits yesterday. Nice, Perry. I don't blame you, bro. I like it. You probably doubled up, right, Perry? You got in at 6 cents when we were talking about it a few months ago, right? I'm sure you did. What's your price prediction for SHIB in 2023? It's a good question. 2023, I would like to see us be at 0.001 or a little higher. 0.001, I think, is a good number, though. XRP, because they work already with the banks. Yeah, that's true, Fabian. XRP is a good front runner. Who knows? Maybe you put AMP in there, like obviously to play their particular role, right? Predict SHIB's price within the end of this year. 2.0 range. So where that says 08, put a 2.0 right there. That would be my kind of middle of the road price prediction. As long as we stay in the bull market. And I mean, here's the thing: the two major catalysts are Robinhood and Coinbase. So we need those. We need those. And I think we're going to get them in due time. I think I should take profits on VET or hold it. James, I mean, if you got in around 6 cents where a lot of people in our community got in, I mean, you're more than doubled your money. If you want to take some profits out, I don't blame you. To diversify a little bit, take out a little bit, put it in something else, and then hold some. I mean, that's kind of my strategy. Or you could take out your initial investment, hold that on the sidelines, start, a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll take out their initial investments and just hold it over in a stable coin until something dips that they want to buy, right? Because then you're playing with house money with your VET or whatever asset you're talking about, and you got money on the sidelines, you got dry powder waiting for something to dip. So it's a good way to start diversifying and building out your portfolio. So, or you could just hold it. I mean, if it's something you have high conviction in, maybe you want to just stack it. Yeah, we're not going to have a global currency. Yeah, Boca, you're right. I read that a little bit wrong. You're reading that correctly. I kind of read it as just a transactional currency. But somebody asked, yeah, global currency. That's a good point. Countries are too independent. There will be a ton of them. I agree. I agree. But there will be the bridge between them. That's the true question. Yeah, right. What's going to be used to help with the, cross-border payments, right? For sure. What do you think about Radium? Haven't heard about it too much. Thanks, appreciate it. Yeah, no problem, James. How much supply? Wait, Perry, did you answer that? Took VET profits yesterday. How much supply do you think a coin will need to be feasible for everyday commerce like Walmart or Amazon? Yeah, man, a ton, right? A ton. The thing with Bitcoin is, it could be, you can use like the fractions of Bitcoin. What do they call them? Satoshis. So like it makes sense, but like, sure, like the technology can be there that makes it transactional, right? But are people going to use it that way? Are people going to spend their Bitcoin? Anybody who has Bitcoin right now, I don't think they want to spend it. Same thing with Ethereum. Like, do you want to spend your Ethereum? Now, would you be more answer this question? Would you be more likely to use, just from a consumer standpoint, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge? I think it's a pretty easy answer, but I mean, I'm just naming three there at the top that are big names. Those are the three most talked about at the top, right? Pay yourselves first. Always, OG. I love that, man. Don't forget taxes each time you pull for a gain. Yes, that too. You do have taxes. Yeah, if you want to avoid taxes, just hold. Can't see SHIB hitting it, Zach. I'm holding SHIB. There you go. Ever heard of fake token? Yeah, I have. Do you see Shiba Inu being ranked over Doge in the future? It'd be a long shot, but it's possible. ETH, Superfly, okay. What else do we got? Heli Rider. No, I said 0.001 by 2023. 0.001, only 2 zeros. What's happening, Superfly? Tyler says ETH 20,000 by 2022. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of, well, I mentioned in that video that I put out last night, right? Ethereum, you know, a lot of people have the base case at 30,000 by 2023, early 2023. Well, how does that happen, right? The only way it happens is massive gains in 2022. That's why, if you haven't seen that video I put out on the channel, Ethereum, 2022, the year of Ethereum, go check that out because I really started thinking about that, and that's why I made that video. It's a talking head video, and had some fun with it. But I really believe that. I mean, it makes way too much sense. Let me show you which video I'm talking about here. So here it is right here. 2022, this is the year for Ethereum. Here's why. Go check that out if you haven't seen that one already. I think you'll like that one. Jason, I consolidated down quite a bit. Bought the dips on 5.5 a lot. I bought like more than I actually sold. I sold some SHIB. Okay, here's what I did. I sold some at the top, took a loss a little bit, put it into Ethereum, got that money all the way back already when Ethereum was down at 1,700. So I reclaimed all my losses there when I bought too high on SHIB. But that allowed me to get a lower average price after I put that money and shuffled it into Ethereum. So I'm back in the green on everything, right? On my Ethereum, and now on my SHIB, I'm in at an average price of like 0.061, 0.061, which is near the bottom. I know the average, the really bottom right now at the support line is 0.55, so I'm at 0.61. So I'm up on my SHIB right now, looking nice. I'll take it, and I like being in there at that price. I'll just hold the line on that. Too many twos for it not to make sense. 20,000, 2022. I like it, man. I like it. My friends firmly believe ADA will hit $100 in the next 5 to 10 years. It's definitely possible, Dustin. It's definitely possible. But $100, I mean, that's a lot. 100xing, I mean, essentially, you know. Well, I guess it would be 50xing now if it's $2, right? Yeah, 50x. It can certainly double pretty quickly, like in market cap. It could certainly go from 80 to 160 in the next couple years, you know. But okay, like let's say because Cardano went from 6 billion earlier this year, market cap wise, 6 or 7 billion to what is it now? 80 billion? What's the market cap on Cardano? 80 billion. Yeah, look at this. Look at this crap. This is insane. I'll just show you guys and gals. I'll show y'all this real quick if I can get this to load. For whatever reason, CoinMarketCap just always loads slow as freaking hell. I don't know why. Everything else is up. Like everything else works. Boom, boom, boom. Market cap, slow. All right, so here we go. Check this out, though. Cardano 2025 price prediction. Man, I'll say $12. That's really conservative, probably. But I mean, there's going to be some bear cycles in there too. But look at this. Back in January, this was 9 billion market cap. All right. Late December. Here, let's go right into January 4th. There it is. 8 billion market cap. So it's basically 10x'd in market cap since January. How crazy is that? It's 10x'd in market cap. Pretty nuts. Now it's 80. It was 8 billion market cap. Now it's 80. So there's going to be a pullback. I mean, that's a big run up. There's going to be a pullback at some point, but I just don't know when the pullback's going to start. Like, how high are we going to go? And then, you know, my guess is we'll get up to $5 and probably start to pull back closer to $3. That's just like my gut, and we'll have to see. We'll see what happens. I think we get up close to 5 and it pulls back probably under 3. Because I'm in the camp of I'll take some profits early, and it's still early enough on Cardano to be a long-term holder. But I want to lock in some of those profits. That's kind of and I don't know exactly what that's going to look like, but I'll be shocked if I don't take some Cardano profits later this year. At least a little bit. But if you want to know when and what I do with that, come on over. Join us at the Patreon. Like that segue. Link is up in the top chat. Be an insider, and you'll know what I do later this year. How about that? And you get some great thoughts from other people too, because I don't have all the answers. But we got over 100 Patreon members, and they are invested in crypto. Not just financially, I mean invested in our private community. Our private community is amazing. All right, and I'm not just saying that to blow smoke. We got people talking crypto all the time in our private community. It's amazing. Great place to be. So how are you? I'm a rookie when it comes to crypto, and so far I have SHIB, XRP, and VeChain. Okay, you're starting to branch out a little bit. Eric, I would say straight off the rip, man, get you some Ethereum, get you some Cardano. That's my number 1 and number 2 holding right there, Eric. There you go. Jay, hello all. Good Friday. What's up, Jay? Good Friday to you too, my friend. All right, y'all. TV timeout. TV timeout. That 124 like number needs to hit 150 when I come back. I'm going to go get myself a drink. I'll be right back. It's totally free to hit the like button too. BRB. Got myself a Fig Newton. And drinking some amino acids. What a Friday night, huh? That is the question. Pizza or tacos? That's always a question, man. Can't go wrong with either one, right? Should have just ate some dates. I like dates, Junior. Dates are good for you. All right, Jay's got a dilemma. In your opinion, which crypto has the biggest usage and upside or price increase, Crow or AMP token? AMP token. AMP token has the biggest chance to have massive usage. All it's going to take is one big retailer. We know the two we're talking about. And upside, but I think Crow is definitely going to perform well, and it's less risky. That would be my my thoughts there. Dustin, I'm in California, not yet. I hear you, bro. Yeah, what is it out there? 2:48. It's 5:48 here, so evening, right? Thanks for that, Josh. Appreciate that, man. I try, dude. I don't know. I don't have all the answers, but I give it my best. I tell you what I'm thinking, and we got a great think tank, too. I learned from a lot of other people, you know. Best way to take profits. Best way to take profits is set individual exit strategies for each asset and have a plan what you're going to do with those profits. Are you going to put it in a stable coin and hold it? And then what are you going to do with those profits? Are you going to wait until that particular coin dips again to add to your position? to get yourself more of that same token, or are you going to wait for another spot, right? So just basically organize it so you know why you're taking profits. You know what you're going to do with that money when you take it, or you're going to take it and go on vacation or whatever, right? Like, I don't know, say you have 3 Ethereum, right? And you bought your Ethereum for an average of 1,500 each. All right, so you've got 3 Ethereum, total money invested 4,500. Well, your first exit strategy could be, when Ethereum hits 9K, I'm going to turn my 4,500 into 27,000, right? Is that right? Yeah. I would have turned my 4,500 into 27,000. I'm going to take $7,000 of that 20,000 and go to Aruba, right? That could be your exit strategy. Like, literally, think about it like that. Like, that's how I would do it, because it's a lifestyle. And then it's like, okay, I'm going to leave the other 20,000 in Ethereum, but I'm taking 7,000 out and I'm going to Aruba or whatever, right? Or I'm taking 7,000 out and I'm buying Cardano with it when it dips, right? So just have an exit strategy when you're taking money out. Just know what you're doing with that. When you get lost is, you pull your money out and you don't know why do I have this? I should just let it go. If you have a plan, you could sleep good and you know what you're doing, So think through it like that. Hope AMC pops off soon. Oh, you're still holding some, Telly? I'm still holding 3. I have 3 AMC shares. I'm losing money on it, but oh wait, actually no, I sold it. I sold it actually. I took a loss, and it's in Ethereum. It's probably already made its money back. I liquidated a bunch of stocks and bought like $6,000 worth of Ethereum. Bought like 2 full Ethereum when ETH was a little below 3. Yeah. Not touching, only buying 5 years, man. Nice. That laugh was from my comment. I hear you, Junior. Lux, I'll go. Soul pumping like there's no tomorrow. Been waiting all day for the dip. Yeah. I hear you, man. Appreciate that, Darren. Thanks, man. I think SHIB will get to by the end of the day. I'd like to see us get back to that 09 level again, Superfly. That'd be nice, huh? 084 right now. We're working our way back up. All right, y'all. I'm tired. I had a long seminar, but I want to come on and do a live stream for a bit. I'm going to go take a nap, and then probably going to be a Friday night hanging out and creating some more videos later. So, yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for stopping in, dropping by. Like the video if you haven't already on your way out. That would be great. Hopefully you have a great weekend. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hopefully you got some value here. And thank you everybody who sent a super chat. And have a great weekend. Take care, and we'll continue to watch the markets closely. And I'll have a bunch of content throughout the weekend. Probably another live stream at some point too. Austin and I were talking about doing a dual live stream potentially Sunday, so be on the lookout for that. I'll send it out on Twitter too, so follow me over there. It's at @Z_Humphries over on Twitter. And yeah, look forward to seeing you in the next video and or over in our private community. See you soon.